Someone is breaking the digital detox and it's not me.
I think what makes Lake Superior seem different than Lake Michigan is that, for the most part, every time we see Lake Michigan, it's always surrounded by a big city, either like Milwaukee or Chicago or some other big buildings. But this is like all forest surrounding the lake, so it has a different feel to it.
We already made a friend right outside of the Wilderness Visitor Center where we were warned about bears. Look at all that. It's pretty big.
Yeah, it's like a snapping turtle.
No, it is. Yes, we learned this was a ferocious, carnivorous, only human-eating snapping turtle.
Yep.
Just kidding. I think it's a painted turtle.
Oh wow, nice. Okay.
What's that?
Second hiking stick.
Oh, for me?
You can have the small one. I'll take the big one.
Okay. Good morning! We're about to start another group of trails. There were supposed to be a bunch of waterfalls, and we hear something.
Sounds like someone's taking a bath.
Could be wind, could be the lake, or it could be some waterfalls. Or it could be a group of bears rustling very loudly.
No.
A large group of bears.
Hopefully not the bears.
Jeff's walking stick did indeed fit in the car, right?
That's right.
When you find a good stick, you don't know where you're going to find another one.
That's true.
Especially in a forest, just in case.
Yeah, it's hard to find wood in forests.
I know.
Alright, we're back again. We are on our way up to the Tower Summit Peak Trail. It's a Summit Peak Trail loop. It's about a 5-mile loop. We will be seeing the summit of something. The map says it'll take us 3 hours. But I think we can beat that though. Okay. We'll check in later with updates. Lake is like a mirror. Beaver?
Beavers could have made that, right?
I would think so.
Skip like this and everyone's doing it. So Jeff,
Yes,
you've just witnessed your first rock skipping championship.
that's right.
What was the highlight for you?
The highlight, that's tough. There's so many fascinating events. I think the most interesting thing was the, well, probably two things. One, all the backhanded techniques. I've never seen that before.
Can you demonstrate it? We're not sure. We're not sure what this technique is.
So that involves, the standard rock skipping is, forehand follow through.
Oh, sure. Mm-hmm.
But this time you saw a lot of people going with the backhand.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, I see.
Mm-hmm. So that was interesting.
One thing I did know about rock skipping championships is that you have to enter with a nickname. Can you give us a highlight of the best nicknames for this evening's events?
Okay, I'd say the Destroyer was a good one. The Rock Ninja.
Rock Ninja.
Rock Ninja. What else was there?
What was the one? It was like rocket hand?
Comet
Comet arm.
Comet arm.